Okay, interesting. It's a scenic United States elevator. For a second, I thought this was a traditionally boring. Look at that. Down here, you got some like fixing crop fixtures. I don't know. This looks like Signa 4 fixtures, if I'm not mistaken. I'll take a look at the view. I don't know what the hell this thing is. It's like a traditionally boring and a ThyssenKrupp. Signa 4 had a baby. Or at least I think this is like Signa 4 stuff. I'm not too sure. Could also be like Morris or something. Something like that. I don't know. Get the view again. Going down. Now I'm just going right up like normal. This is the weirdest combo. It's so weird. Now I'm just gonna get the floor indicator, which actually works. I always love these door buttons. They don't want to work when given. Something tells me this may have modded a traditionally boring by the looks of it. Who knows? Again, I love these buttons. They don't want to work when given a request to.